They ran amok after properties worth millions of kwacha were reduced to ashes at Kapalala temporal market in an inferno that started around 20 hours on Tuesday evening. According to Ndola City Council, the fire is believed to have started from one of the makeshift restaurants where a brazier was left unattended to. And for the traders, experiencing this situation for the second time in 5 years has left them in shock.
This is what I've only managed to rescue out of the 1,000 chickens in my poultry. We have not rescued any of our merchandise. I just saw the flames of fire and later I started removing my merchandise. There are just speculations on how the fire started. The Masala Cultural Village, property of the Ministry of Tourism, was not spared. But marketeers want government to investigate the fire and those involved face the law.
Just saw the fire coming from the down there.
We want this matter to be investigated so that the perpetrators can face the law.
Copper Belt Province Permanent Secretary Augustine Kasongo was on site as the market was in flames.
National airports and also South came on board.
Copper Belt Province Minister Elisha Matambo has visited the market to check on the impact of the fire.
All of us as government, we are sympathizing with them. And I think we walk side by side with them.
And in the afternoon, the provincial minister led the Minister of Small and Medium Enterprises, Elias Mubanga, and other ministers to check on the gutted market. Mr. Mubanga says the ministry will prioritize traders at Kapalala Market in the Citizen Economic Empowerment Commission.
We are going to empower your traders through the Citizen Economic Empowerment Commission.
The temporal Kapalala market is where hundreds of marketeers were taken to continue trading after the old market was gutted in August 2017. And now they have suffered another setback for the second time in 5 years. Charlotte Sijunda, Diamond News in Ndola.